Good morning, students. So today I will start and will complete exercise 7.3. Okay. So in that I will start question number 15. Tan cube 2x sec 2x dx. Okay. So tan cube 2x, you write tan 2x into tan square 2x and sec 2x dx. Clear? So you here suppose sec 2x is equal to t. So sec 2x their differentiation 2 sec 2x tan 2x dx is equal to dt. So sec 2x tan 2x dx is equal to dt by 2. Then put here. So sec 2x tan 2x dx dt by 2 and tan 2x you can write sec square 2x minus 1. Tan square theta you know 1 plus tan square theta sec square. So tan square theta sec square. And in place of sec 2x, okay, actually in next step you write. Okay. First tan square 2x converting this. Okay. And sec 2x tan 2x dx. Okay. Then you put here. So sec 2x t, so t square minus 1 and this dt by 2. So 1 by 2, then integrate it. So t square their integration t cube by 3 minus 1 their integration t plus constant. Then putting t value. So 1 by 2 sec cube 2x upon 3 minus t means sec 2x plus constant. This will be answer. Okay. Then question number 16. So tan power 4x. Okay. dx. Okay, so tan power 4 you write tan square x into tan square x dx. Okay. So 1 tan square x you write sec square x minus 1 and this tan square x dx. Okay. So multiply it. So sec square x tan square x dx minus tan square x dx. So here suppose this sec square x tan square x dx minus again tan square x convert in sec square x minus 1 dx. Then tan x suppose t. So tan x their differentiation sec square x dx is equal to dt. Put here. So sec square x dx dt and this means t square dt minus open the bracket. So sec square x dx plus 1 dx is plus constant and after that you integrate it. In question number 17, first you divide by denominator to their numerator separately and after that integrate it. क्वेश्चन नंबर 18, cos 2x plus 2 sin square x upon cos square x dx. Okay. So question number 18. So apply cos 2x formula. So cos 2x we know 1 minus 2 sin square x. Cos 2x formula, and here given plus 2 sin square x and whole upon cos square x dx. So 2 sin square x minus 2 sin square x cancel. So 1 upon cos square x sec square x dx, and sec square x is the differentiation of tan x. So sec square x their integration tan x plus c. This will be answer. Okay. Question number 19. 1 upon sin x cos cube x dx. Okay. So sin x cos cube x into cos x means multiply and divide in their denominator. Okay. So this sin upon cos tan. Okay. So sin upon cos tan. So 1 upon, and this 1 upon cos power 4x means sec power 4x upon tan x dx. Then tan x is equal to t, you suppose. So this and this convert in sec square x into sec square x. So 1 sec square dx that will manage in dt, and another sec square x. In place of that you can write 1 plus tan square x, then tan x value t you put and then integrate it. Okay. Question number 20. Cos 2x upon cos x plus sin x whole square dx. I like this one. More question also in the same exercise. Okay. That question number 14. Okay. Not same but process and other things same like. Okay. So cos 2x formula. So cos square x minus sin square x upon cos x plus sin x whole square. Okay. So cos square a square minus b square formula. So a minus b and a plus b. Okay. So one cancel. Okay. So cos x minus so now denominator suppose x. Okay. Okay. So suppose sin x plus cos x equal to t. Okay. Then sin x their differentiation cos x, and cos x their differentiation minus sin x. dx is equal to dt. So cos x minus sin x dx will convert in dt. So dt upon t so is equal to log mod t plus c, and log mod t value put it. So sin x plus cos x plus c, this will be answer. Okay. Question number 21. Sin inverse cos x, sin inverse cos x dx. Okay. So sin inverse cos x, in place of that we can write sin pi by 2 plus x. Okay. Sin 90 plus theta also we know cos theta. We know sin 90 plus theta is equal to cos theta. Okay. So one formula in chapter 2 you will study, later you will study, that's anywhere given sin inverse sin theta. So this will be equal to theta. So sin inverse sin and this is theta, so will be equal to pi by 2 plus x dx. Okay, this is formula. So separately you integrate it. So pi by 2 and constant and 1 their integration x plus x their integration x square by 2 plus c. So this is the answer of this question. Okay, exercise 7.3. Okay, question number 21. So pi x by 2 minus x square by 2 plus c. Minus also you can sin 90 minus theta cos theta and sin 90 plus also. Okay, but due to sin you can in place of plus also. You know that sin pi by 2 plus x is equal to cos x in second quadrant and pi by 2 minus x in first quadrant also. Sin in both quadrant, first and second both positive. Okay, so in place of plus you can write minus. Clear? Question number 22, and it is most important question for board exam. Okay, and like this 4 questions. Okay, so here given 1 question only, remaining 3 questions I will give you for homework. Okay, so 1 upon cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. So here if we suppose any, so their differentiation will not adjust. Okay, so here you have to multiply by sin a minus b in their numerator and denominator both. And why are we multiplying, later you will understand. Okay, so 1 upon sin a minus b, sin a minus b, that is constant, so will be out. And here in place of sin a minus b we can write x minus a. Okay, plus minus. Okay, so like this, in place of a minus b we can write x minus b minus x minus a. And why are we writing? Because in denominator x minus a, x minus b is given. Okay, and when we simplify it, so it will be equal to a minus b. Okay, upon cos x minus a cos x minus b dx. So 1 upon sin a minus b. So sin this suppose a and this suppose b. Clear? So sin or p and q you suppose, if coming doubts in your mind, then suppose p and q. So sin p minus q formula. So what is formula? Sin p cos q minus cos p sin q. Okay, dx upon this cos x minus a cos x minus b. So 1 upon sin a minus b, then divide separately. So if we divide this by that, so cos x minus a cancel, so sin upon cos what will be? Tan x minus b dx. Okay, minus, then this upon that, so cos x minus b cancel, so sin upon cos tan x minus dx. Clear? And after that, simple x minus b suppose t, so dx is equal to dt, means tan t dt, and here suppose u, so dx is equal to du, so tan u du, and after that tan u formula you know, tan x formula, integration of tan x formula that you know in previous exercise you have done. Okay, so formula you write here, that will be answer. Clear? And like this, 3 more questions that you write for practice, for homework. Okay, 1 upon sin x minus a cos x minus b. This first question. Second question, 1 upon sin x minus a cos x minus b. Okay, and third one, 1 upon cos x minus a and sin x minus b dx. So these 3 questions, okay, in homework you try to do, and what changes will be here, cos and this sin, sorry for this. Okay, sin, so in that also same rule will apply, this by multiplying sin a minus b, but in second and third we have to multiply and divide by cos a minus b, because here sin and cos, if both same cos sin, then multiply and divide by sin a minus b, but if sin cos, then you multiply and divide by cos a minus b. Clear? So in second and third, multiply and divide by cos a minus b, but in first one and this question number 22, in that sin a minus b. Clear? So question number 23rd, it is also like question number 17. Okay, so divide separately and after that integrate it. In question number 24, okay, denominator, okay, so 1 upon cos square, so in that you suppose e power x into x is equal to t. Okay, and after that integrate it. Okay, thank you.